Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, Florida. Took in a super clean trade, our trade, a 2019 Godfrey Pontoon, Tri-Toon as a matter of fact, 2286, easy loader trailer included, really great boat, get out in the summertime, have some fun, fit the whole family. You see here, beautiful, beautiful boat. Pontoon trailer. We're gonna hop on board, take a look around. Nice vinyl woven carpet down there. You see super clean upholstery. This boat does come with the cover stored, cover kept. Oversized bimini, keep that Florida sun off you. Entrance all around this boat, both on the port side, up on the bow too. Back here, entertaining area, got the L-shaped seat with the table. And of course, here at the helm station, we're gonna have our Simrad electronics. Everything's pretty much plug and play, have some fun. Back here, we have more access with a ladder and the Yamaha 115 SHO 4-stroke, less than 40 hours. Once again, I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, Florida. This is a Godfrey 2019 2286 Tri-Toon. Give us a call, schedule a virtual viewing, and let's get you out on the water. Bye, guys.